Good morning, sir. This is my Activity 6 report in GD2. So, let's start. First topic is game particle system. In order to create a variety of visual effects in games, such as fire, smoke, explosion, rain, and more, particle systems are essential. To create dynamic and engrossing effects, they imitate the behavior of individual particles, including their appearance, movement, and interaction with the surrounding. And here, a basic rundown of how key works. Meron tayong particles attributes, emitter, particle behavior, rendering, and more. First is particles attribute. A system particles each have characteristics like size, lifetime, color, velocity, and position. The behavior of the particles throughout time is determined by those properties. Next is emitter. Emitter is particles production is the responsibility of transmitter. It specifies the origin of particles, their initial characteristics, and the pace of which they discharge. Particles can be generated by static or dynamic transmitter in a variety of patterns and shapes. Next is particle behavior. Movement is a part of particle behavior and involves collision, avoidance, rotation, and acceleration. Particles' movement can be influenced by factors such as wind, instability, and gravity, which gives a particles a more realistic and natural appearance. Next is rendering. Texture, polygon, or sprite are used to rendering particles. A variety of visual features such as fire, smoke, or trash can be represented by the texture. To make particles blend in perfectly with the gaming world, techniques like addition blending and alpha blending are frequently employed. Next topic is game processing effects. In order to give in modern video game graphics depth, realism, and visual style, post-processing effects are essential. And here are some common post-processing effects you may encounter in game. First is color grading. Allows game designer to generate a variety of mode and atmosphere from bright and stylish to greatly and realistic. It does this by changing the color and one tone of the image. Next is motion blur. Increases the feeling of speed and fluidity in gaming by simulating the blurring effect seen in the rapidly moving object or camera movements. Other one is screen space reflection or SSR. Gives the game environment more realism by accurately rendering item and sensory as reflection on reflective surface like glass or water. And the last one is volumetric lighting. Realistic light, soft, and rays are rendered, adding to the game world ambience and depth, especially a scenario within dynamic lightning and atmosphere effect like dust or fog. Next topic is game physics simulation. A key component of contemporary video game creation is the simulation of a game physics, which affects everything from character movement and interaction to the behavior of object in the game environment. In essence, the way object of people react in the gaming environment is determined by the virtual laws of motion and interaction. And here are breakdown of some key elements. Collision detection, soft body dynamic, particle system, and physics engines. First is collision detection. This entails figuring out when two or more of the game in the game object interact with one another. It is necessary to keep items from passing through one another and to compute the outcomes of collision, like how they will bounce off one another or set of particular event. Next is soft body dynamics. Soft body are pliable unlike stiff one and can bend. This is frequently used to simulate things like fabric, pliable training, and even the movement of muscles and fat on character. Next is particle system. Particle system mimic a vast number of tiny items or particles acting as a single unit when combined for effects like fire, smoke, explosion, and fluid simulation. They are frequently utilized. Next is physics engine. Physics engines with are software libraries or frameworks created especially to manage the computational parts of physics simulation in game. Are frequently used by game creators, Bullet Physics, Havok, and NVIDIA, NVIDIA Physics X are a few of the well-known physics engines. And that's all my report, sir. Thank you for listening and thank you for teaching us.